Alright, this is the bodgy Aussie mini chainsaw mill. As you can see, 25mm box section, the handle, a couple of U-bolts, bit of 90-degree angle, just the thickness of my cut there, clamp onto the chainsaw bar, both sides. You can tell by the high class welding that I excel in that area. So very crude design, but effective nonetheless. It's made to fit a 24-inch bar for the Husky 394 XP golden oldie. Does the job. And here is my tiny little log, which I'm going to make a threshold for the front door out of, and some window sills. Just an old swing set, bit of Gow steel, weld it up, just give you a rigid first cut, screwed down onto the log, and simple as that. I'll build her up. So here's the chainsaw attached to the mill. It's clamped down tightly. Clearance for the chain to go by, unhindered. The depth set, the U-bolts tight. I'll be cutting some slaty gum, Australian hardwood. It was a dead tree, so it's dry, very hard. There's plenty of those up in the backyard there. That's a slaty gum right here. Makes great interior woodwork. There we go. Alright, ready for the second cut. Got a nice flat template, rails removed. So the same idea, just put the chainsaw mill on there and cut it again. I'm going to cut a 35mm slab off it, so see how it goes. The threshold ready for a bit of a routing edge and a bit of sanding on its way. And here's the finished product of slaty gum. Comes up very nice. All the natural curves. Not bad for a bit of petrol and $20 worth of steel.